yo. What is up, JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction? Move, no man, move. And today, today, we're here with Kyodi double barrel. Kyodi double barrel, we are gonna jump in the one and you ready to say, I don't know, say this is a war season, so you don't know, say Kyodi and 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 is going at it, and the war is very entertaining and I like it. Uno not like video them as uno should be liking the video them, you know. Uno not like them, you know, but here we go on now, I go beg you get nice, you see it. You know, bad know up this time, you see it. Can't be a bad man, bad know up, you see it. Me no want bad up nobody, cause you see it. Cause the warrior done bad already, so me no want you no more badness to the badness, you know me, I say. So me are gonna see each other like on the video, subscribe around there if you know, you see me. Let's jump in on here and hear the G, them, I say.
One Kyodi, man.
Yeah, one Kyodi.
One alien, hear that? All uptown. Alien bumbo clear.
Alien real. So obviously we see the spaceship and fly out here. So hold on there. Carlton, Union Carlton. Hold on there. I'm looking at the cover art for a minute. Hold on. Make a ship move. Move ship. Alright, ship gone there, so. So the ship I send down the light way. So Carlton name Bahard. I same name. We see a shot upon Bumbo Clan look on him something here. Yeah, ball out there so. Jawbone. We have 10 here, so we have 10. Like 10 strikes. Whoa, okay, foot hang out here, so. What is? Fingers. Graphic scene. Graphic. And up here look like a Kyodi. Double barrel. So see the double barrel. So alright, let's go.
When I murder me, I war me index, but a 10 ticks get from me in step.
Oh, the 10 years so signifies 10 tick. Okay. I told you guys I'll get it. Alright, very creative. Let's go.
When I murder me, I war me index, but a 10 ticks get from me in step.
A 10 kick, the ticks get from it. Bumbo clap. A 10 kick, the ticks get from the index. Yo. Me get it.
When I murder me, I war me index, but a 10 ticks get from me in step.
10 ticks get from me in step. So 10 kick him game fit 10 physical kick. Kyodi say him get 10 kicks.
Me a war me index, but a 10 ticks get from me in step. None of them pussy they no invest in a gun, a pussy them buy with them interest.
Them not invest in a gun, so all them for one with bumbuckler bad man. Them not invest in a gun, brother. Remember see a pussy them a buy every night. Them keep on a back road. I buy pussy. Remember say them is wicked, you know what them there. Remember say them not invest in a gun. Remember say them a fool. Remember say them a pong. That's what Kyodi said about 10 things. Not me, 10 things big bazel, Kyodi big bazel.
None of them pussy they no invest in a gun, a pussy them buy with them interest. Running a your house like insect. Maki level spray where you they think a Windex. Marble at the four corner. No bad man no know guala. 10 quick stop the capping.
Hold on, the man. Hold on.
Marble at the four corner. No bad man no know guala.
No bad man no guala. You must say what is a guala? No bad man no no man like a four corner. What don't know?
Marble at the four corner. No bad man no know guala. 10 quick stop the capping. Firefighter never shot in a your strapping. Last boy this get the four corner. No bad man no know guala. 10 quick stop the capping. Firefighter never shot in a your strapping.
Remember say 10 tick. When 10 tick. Me go talk cause I'm fair like that. I'm not care like that. Remember say 10 tick. When 10 tick sang the just drop and it a roll deep. My dogs roll. When 10 tick sang roll deep, it drop and it him do a ER interview. Remember say him do a ER interview and he was a firefighter. So him say him left the firefighter job for pursue a music career. So Kyodi has said, so remember say he's a firefighter. Remember say, yo, another rifle behavior, none of that way you chat about capping. Stop it capping in your rapping, you're lying. That's how the G say so. 10 tick, booping in your head and say you're lying.
10 quid, stop the capping.
10 quid, 10 quid, 10 quid. If you know what the quid is the pound. You, like if you wanna say, oh, give me 10 quid, no? 10 quid mean 10 pound or 20 pound or in England, 10 quid.
No bad man, no guala. 10 quid, stop the capping. Firefighter never shot in your strapping. Last boy this get tag and we no at him. Chief.
Last boy this get tag and we no at him.
Firefighter never shot in your strapping. Last boy this get tag and we no at him. G45, yeah that I do the mabbing. To them is Rona, prove over your coffin.
What do you know Popcorn man out of this? What Miss Rona do? First 10 ticks say Popcorn better ask Mama Rona for pray for Kyodi. No, Emma say no, and Miss Rona go pray for you. Jesus Christ, Popcorn mommy. You are a star in your own right, mommy. You are a star. So these artists are always gonna refer to you as the prayer warrior, cause you are one of the most famous prayer warrior that we know. We know and say, yo, you love your church and you think so. Big up Mama Rona.
G45, yeah, that I do the mabbing. To them is Rona, prove over your coffin. My badness and you're no similar thing. One big yard map never do the ratting.
My badness and your badness are not similar thing, brother. We are different. We cut from a different cloth. Remember, you're a firefighter. Remember, some you're crimies. Yeah, one big yard.
My badness and you're no similar thing.
No.
One big yard map never do the ratting.
Yeah.
Remember, you sell out. Come on, we do shopping and you still never reach out. That's just your teeth ratting. My badness and you're no similar thing. One big yard map never do the ratting. Remember you sell out. Come on, we do shopping and you.
Remember you sell out? What going with the sellout story? Can somebody tell me what going as a piece?
One big yard map never do the ratting. Remember you sell out. Come on, we do shopping and you still never reach out. That's just your teeth ratting.
Remember you sell out, come on, for do shopping and you still never reach out, that's your teeth alone, right?
Remember you sell out, come on, we do shopping and you still never reach out, that's just your teeth rotting.
Yeah, when I say I'm rotten rich, when I say yo, I'm play for the rotten rich, so rotten rich. Only thing rotten boy you are your teeth. Bobo clad, that the teeth job again, man. My chest is down here. Yo.
Remember you sell out, come on, we do shopping and you still never reach out, that's just your teeth rotting. Pull out and shotting. Melon sugar time foreign.
Melon sugar time for it. So you don't see 10 ticker go around with the melon under this popcorn from where you never say, yo, popcorn. From then he said the whole melon thing with Papi and the, you don't know the whole story already. So he must say right and say, yo, when you sugar water, melon sugar water time for it, you know?
Koalas na man, we do shopping and you still never reach out, that's just your teeth rotting. Pull out and shotting. Melon sugar time foreign. Koalas na make no dopey there. Show them put on like carry.
I show them put on. Them an actor. Brother, them an actor, brother. This is all a theater. It's all a facade. Them a tell light. Put them in the bad.
Koalas na make no dopey there. Show them put on like carry. Monta bat me killer them up and them no do batting. Monta jaggy there so I no do chopping. Catch them off guard. Shoulda never make that happen. The man a bolt when time them hear the gatling.
Hold on. Wait.
Koalas na make no dopey there. Show them put on like carry. Monta bat me killer them up and them no do batting.
Monta bat me killer them have and them no do batting. Them and the batsman don't play cricket. No, but they don't know enough bat to fly.
Show them put on like carry. Monta bat me killer them up and them no do batting. Monta jaggy there so I no do chopping.
Monta jaggy with there so. And them big up Shaney, jaggy, jag lad. Monta jaggy with there so and them no do scamming. And then no chopping.
Monta bat me killer them up and them no do batting. Monta jaggy there so I no do chopping. Catch them off guard, shoulda never make that happen. The man a bolt when time them hear the gatling.
Catch him off guard and should have never met that up. Remember say him don't sing a song say catch him off guard with 10 tick reply and say yo you can't catch him off guard. Rare. Then him say yo be a man a bolt. When time him say be a man a bolt when time them hear the gatling. Watch you now, play upon words. Usain Bolt. Be a man a bolt. Be a man a bolt. Be a man a run. You see me? When them get the when them hear the Gatling now, the gun, but you have Justin Gatlin who also do where also is a retired athlete as well. Justin Gatlin and Bolt was two rivals. So play upon words there, so well done, well fucking done there. I like that play upon words, and that makes sense. Be a man a run when time them hear the Gatlin a spit. But you can turn it around and say be a man a Bolt when time them hear the Gatlin. Bolt, Justin Gatlin, yeah.
Catch them off guard, should I never make that happen. Be a man a Bolt when time them hear the Gatlin.
We gather here today to remember Carlton Nemhard.
Carlton Nemhard. I saw him name. Oh, we are gathered here today. So let me pray for everybody now, Jesus.
Tragically lost his life to gun violence despite being a law-abiding citizen.
You lost your life to gun violence, Tentic. You lost your life to gun violence despite being a lawful citizen. Despite paying your taxes like normal people do. Remember, you're a firefighter. I didn't say that. Me know nobody begs with me a bumbo clot. No, who no begs with me? I know me.
Life to gun violence despite being a law-abiding citizen who wouldn't hurt a fly. Rest in peace, dear Carlton Nemhard.
Rest in peace, Carlton Nemhard.
See, they know you're dead. Never hurt a fly. Know why your family time for tell her hurt a bunch.
See, they know you're dead. You never hurt a fly. You never mash a ant. If a mosquito bite you, you say, "Aye, stop bite me now." You're no bad. Remember, say you're no bad. Your family time now for tell the world bye.
See, they know you're dead. Never hurt a fly. Know why your family time for tell her hurt a bunch. Paint the road red. Never burge a buy. Bad.
Paint the road red. Never burge a paint. Never burge a buy. So the man say you're blood muse paint. Never paint muse. Somebody needs to contact Burger for no paint.
This I never feed a look nerd a try. Fire shot in the air. The money murder sky. We deliver beef. I never the burger guy.
Them fire shot in the air and shoot off a god foot bottom. Them not bad. Them never kill no guy. We deliver the beef. We do that. We are deliver the blood clot beef like a the burger guy.
Fire shot in the air. The money murder sky. We deliver beef. I never the burger guy. Pussy the leak. And not a girl a cry. So me know him don't even have a girl a lie. But him pick up from a girl on the top. That a more than a cap. That a tam. That a hat. That a shoes. That a socks.
So much cap the man a cap. Bumbo class. Him pick up my girl. Liar tell that a cap. Yeah, that's a tam, that's a hat.
See the leak, and not a girl a cry. So me know him don't even have a girl a lie. But
him not a girl, a be a man in party, man him goalas them, and that's what the G say. Goalas big up for himself, alien is talking. Hey.
Pussy the leak, and not a girl a cry. So me know him don't even have a girl a lie. But him pick up from a girl on the top, that a more than a cap.
But him pick up from a girl on the top, that a more than a cap. That's a more than a cap. Here I want.
That a tam, that a hat, that a shoes, that a socks.
That a tam, that a shoes, that a hat, that a everything, that a every clothes apart from a cap. I am more than a cap.
From a girl on the top, that a more than a cap. That a tam, that a hat, that a shoes, that a socks. Then quick, you're so lame, better bill, go relax. Member has been told to get a portion of box.
10 quid, you're so lame. Remember, spent when I get a portion of box. Remember, say the man them box you up like a boxing ring. Yo, and I mean that,
Then quick, you're so lame, better bill, go relax. Remember, I spent when I get a portion of box. That a true, that a fox, get a true, that a snacks.
That's a true, that's a fax. So the boss I tell you, say, yo, I know cap me a cap right there, so. Fax me a talk. Remember, say them box you up over there, so. And I mean say that. I'm not doing the research. Me if you don't mind too.
Remember, I spent when I get a portion of box. That a true, that a fox, get a true, that a snacks. Me care shoes, that a cracks.
Girl, you true, that a snacks. Girl, you true for you, that a snacks for you.
When I get a portion of box, that a true, that a fox, get a true, that a snacks. Me care shoes, that a cracks, that a cool, that a claps. Who the half you go on, you know, smaddy half you drop. Pussy 10 quick, you see, I know you no lock. No.
Pussy 10 quick. From 10 quick to 10 quick.
That a true, that a fox, get a true, that a snacks. Me care shoes, that a cracks, that a cool, that a claps.
Me carry shoes, not a cracks. Shoes me a carry, not a cracks. Play upon words again. Now you tell play upon words for days, brother. Him not stop, bro. Like him just different with the words play, bro.
That a true, that a fox, get a true, that a snacks. Me care shoes, that a cracks, that a cool, that a claps. Who the half you go on, you know, smaddy half you drop. Pussy 10 quick, you see, I know you no lock. No way.
10 can like no way, brother. The man saying like no way, no four corner badness, no gualas, no nothing, you idiot. The man saying like nothing, the only thing you like yourself in your room when gunshot fire outside, you're not bad. 10 members say the man say, oh, only thing you need to like right now is your mouth, cause you're idiot, I be a cap in here. Yo, man, I say that sick, but I mean I say that sick, but 10 if you know him, I say, yeah, that the man I say, you see me?
Get a chew, not a snacks, me care shoes, not a cracks, not a go, not a claps. Who the half you go on, you know, smaddy half you drop. Pussy 10 quick, you see, I know you no lock. No way. Pull out and shot it. Melon, shoot out and foreign. Gualas now make no dopey there. Them alone go in a coffin. Thing mad. Uptown, to downtown, Spain town. No thing go mad.
Oh, DJ, good?
Yeah, man, fam.
A little bird that tell me, say.
Hold on, what is happening to the fucking... What is happening to the cough, man?
Oh,
Watcha? Alright. Something else going nice.
DJ, good?
Yeah, man, fam.
A little bird that tell me, say. 10 tick them circle around our studio. Shell down the place, dog. A barrage of shot fire for Ideals Road.
I that hear. No go so man. I wait for your shot, they hear that. Him could reach a gaga yard, don't spot him from afar. Scope and
so the part in a 10 tick song where him when him say yo, him go around there and fire a portion a shot and then Kyodi friend them go around there and see the gate man dead a ground. I lie that I him fire the portion a shot around there so him I just sang that so alright let's go.
Him could reach a gaga yard, don't spot him from afar. Scope and tap on me tam so me they a calabar.
Okay, so I say you couldn't reach a gargamel yard, a lime tell. We don't spot him from afar because with the upper calabar bred up on the roof. You see me with the scope and that, you know, say, if you know the area, you know the area set up and how close it is. Yeah, run scene on the scope, boom, can spot him.
Reach a gaga yard, don't spot him from afar. Scope and tap on me tam so me they a calabar. Room in him car tire, crashing another car. Yeah.
Room in him car tire, movie thing this you know. Room in him car tire. Yo, the man love room up in body parts them, you know. Earlier on him say yo room in a tentacle leg slow him down, then him say room in him head when him there ground. Now him say yo room in him car tire make him crash in our next car.
Open top of me tam so me they a calabar. Room in him car tire, crashing another car. 85 man shelling, can't fight another war. Them pussy they no bother taller. Oh,
watch your ear and ugly man with the blood cut in the cover from the screen.
Falla, shatter kick not no baller. Bill to the sala, shatter dep on every corner. Whitehall, plum lane ready to start the drama. Could you catch me a buy in the rum? Nice me no junk and everywhere me carry my gun.
So I just that when Tentic said to him say better him go and stay drunk. I remember say him say me nice me not drunk. So him tell you again say brother, remember say me tell you say me nice me never drunk. So what you talk about ya so is
could you catch me a buy in the rum? Nice me no junk and everywhere me carry my gun. Dark up is sky and all no night I come. Be a dead man, anyway the bright cut on. Boy up and gun with whole line face. Be a long gun some whole line place. Map them bleach both 4 nights straight and then we go shell down whole line base.
4 nights straight, the man map bleach, pan him you know. Ban and bleach 4 nights straight and then we go shell down the whole line place. Blood clot. Hey, this bad. Guys, sorry for the long reaction. This video is nearly 20 minutes. Sorry, I don't know how it reach so far. I don't know what I don't know if time get up on me. But yo, big up on yourself. The war bad, the war nice. Me like how the war go. Ono say I win the war. I'm gonna put a poll up on the channel and ono tell me ono say I win the war. Also let me know if you want me to go live. I'm gonna put a poll up on that as well. Ono need to comment on that. So we can run through all I sang them on the live and have live audience, you guys join in like we did before and talk about the war, talk about who is winning so far, who go on. So I'm not gonna drop the video no more. So this one I'm gonna leave on still. If you enjoyed the one and like the video, subscribe around there if you want to see you in the next one. Peace.